In this course, I'll show you how I got ChatGPT to build me an entire marketing campaign from start to finish, including ads, social media posts, blog posts, email sequences, a sales page, and a complete content calendar. Now I know that it all sounds too good to be true, and you may be asking, can a machine really replace a human marketing expert? Well, the answer may surprise you, because here I'll show you how I created every single word of an entire marketing campaign using ChatGPT. And the most important thing that I'll show you is how you can do all of this to get better results faster than ever before. My name is Diego Davila, and I have worked with hundreds of students to help them to use all the power of digital marketing to grow their business exponentially. In this course, you will learn how to use ChatGPT to build a complete marketing campaign from start to finish. With easy-to-follow video lessons, you will be creating successful marketing campaigns in no time. By the end of this course, you'll be able to use ChatGPT to create high-quality content that resonates with your target audience, develop effective social media posts and campaigns, write optimized blog posts and email sequences that drive engagement and conversion, craft a compelling sales page that converts visitors into buyers, build successful ad campaigns on Google, Facebook, YouTube, and others, analyze customer feedback and reviews to optimize your products and service, and the best part, with AI you can do all that in just seconds. This course is designed for marketing professionals, entrepreneurs, and everyone looking to improve their marketing skills using AI-powered tools. Enroll now and let's start using artificial intelligence to take your marketing to the next level. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the course.